Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Reinforce excellent participation and behavior with Super Duper's first digital motivator, Token Tower. There are two ways to access Token Tower. In the library, scroll to the Reinforcer tab. Select Token Tower to start. You may also access Token Tower by opening any product in the Super Duper Digital Library and clicking the Motivate button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then click Token Tower. Token Tower will open in a separate tab. In the menu, select a color for your tower, disable or enable sounds, and drag the ring to set the goal for your session. Leave the Drag Chips setting off to automatically drop chips in the Token Tower. Simply click Add Chip to fill the tower. Select Drag Chips to manually drag chips into the tower. Click, hold, and drag chips to the top. Then release the chip to drop it. Students practice their skills and add chips to the Token Tower for a job well done. Each chip brings students closer to their goal. Click Clear to empty the tower. At any time, click New Session to set a new goal and start a new session. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.